Good evening. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Marchich, and this is your outlook for Tuesday, July 23rd, 2013. Starting off with a current radar. This is as of late Monday evening here, and had some tremendous amount of rainfall that's trending over the same areas this evening. But I put this in motion over the last 6 hours here. It was very scattered, and then it just really took off here the last couple hours here with some very heavy rainfall and some flood warnings that are up in some places. And one thing you did notice is this front sitting down here has now pushed further north in the last couple frames here. You'll see, I just stopped the radar here. The front is now just north of the Lehigh Valley, just north of Pittsburgh from west to east here. And we have an area of low pressure that's actually sitting right down here, kind of close to where this convection is here. Sitting right down here, and it's going to be pushing off to the northeast right across our area and up right up here at about southeastern New York State later tomorrow. But it's going to be very slow going from here to here. So there's going to be a lot of different things going on with high precipitable water value amounts, which will allow for any thunderstorms or showers to become enhanced, especially with the Vortex moving over our area. And that means you could have some heavy rainfall concerns over different areas tomorrow, but pretty much anywhere within this area here can get into the heavier rainfall. So that's our coverage area, so we're leaving that outline for today for the chance for showers and thunderstorms, and not impossible you can even see a break of sun or two in some areas tomorrow, but most of the area will be under the influence of these showers and thunderstorms with heavy rainfall potential as it moves through. Looking at the European model is impressed with Tuesday here, and has a very heavy swath of precipitation falling from pretty much the same areas in the majority of our coverage area, and again has the same thing, the low pressure moving to the northeast. And then the disagreement model is actually the NAM, which is this is the new high-res NAM from tonight, and we have showers and thunderstorms around early in the morning, moving through here, and you got some stuff going around noon here, and then it's trying to push everything out of here by early afternoon. So is that a possibility? Well, sure, but it's trying to push everything out of here a little faster, which could be good if that does happen. It'll definitely cut down on the flooding concerns, but we're really not sold on that idea yet. But at least in the very we think the afternoon is going to have a better chance of this thunderstorm enhancement, and I'm really not thinking the NAM's correct right now. But we did want to mention that there is a possibility it clears up a little bit earlier rather than later. Taking the European model again, then we're going to go from that point forward here. There's going to be a frontal boundary that's going to move through here on Wednesday. It's going to be actually very early Wednesday. A frontal boundary sitting right here. This is actually 8 o'clock in the morning. It's going to push through, come through as a mostly dry front. As it does so, moves to the southeast. High pressure moves in behind it, and it's going to kind of sit there and dominate the weather for a couple days and send winds out of the northwest, and it's going to change the temperatures for late week, where we're not going to get out of we're going to have temperatures in the low to mid 80s across from north to south across our area. With lower humidity, at least on Wednesday as this front moves through. Maybe near normal humidity values we get to late week here. But the European model has absolutely nothing on Thursday, nothing on Friday, nothing on Saturday. The next thing we have to be concerned about, not really concerned, but there's a cold front that's going to be moving through on Sunday. Depending on timing, this we'll have to watch for maybe some strong storms. This is Sunday afternoon of the European model, showing some very heavy rainfall along that frontal boundary. But this is just a normal cold front that's coming through here, and as it sweeps through, it might take its time in doing so, but it could be a long duration showers and thunderstorms on Sunday. So the better the 2 days for this weekend, it will definitely be Saturday. We think Sunday is going to be a little bit unsettled, but the period from Wednesday through Saturday looks pretty much dry. So if you have any outdoor plans, schedule them during those days because those will be the best days for it, and we're not looking at much in the way of precipitation on any given day during that period. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Marchich, and that is your outlook for Tuesday, July 23rd, 2013. Have a great night.